Hey, what is up? Welcome to my Traffic Underdog review. This is a new product which basically is going to give you 10 very powerful hacks to get started getting traffic as fast as possible. In fact, if you put it to action, you can virtually get started with traffic in 50 minutes. Now, I'm going to go through this product a little bit so you can see what this is about. The first video is a welcome video, and under this video there's going to be buttons that goes to some free training that you probably want to grab to get even better results and learn how you can reach 10K month or months with affiliate marketing. Now, the main training is where everything starts. Okay, now the first section is going to be you want to watch this first to have an idea of what this is about. But basically, this first section here is the video that you're watching right now, and this, as you can see here, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hacks. Now I've given each section a specific name, kind of a catchy name. But once you see the video and the tutorial inside each section, you're gonna understand exactly what this is about, okay? So the first one is called the template hack. The second one, the question hack, the live hack, the party hack, the bird hack, the one-page hack, the guru hack, the sniper hack, the classified hack, and the interceptor hack. So this is made for, basically everyone. And especially if you're starting out, I know it's kind of hard to get results. So I wanted to share with you something that you can get started with today. Now, in this section, you're going to learn how to increase your chances of getting approved as an affiliate, because I know it's really, really hard to get approved. Now, one thing that I'm going to be offering, or that you're going to get here, is that if you have picked this up, you're going to get guaranteed approval to promote Traffic Underdog as well. 100% guaranteed approval. Now, the bonuses are going to be here and the upgrades are going to be here. So that's basically what this course is about. It's all about getting you results. The only thing that you have to do is to jump into each section. You can take one at a time, then go to the next one. You can use them together or by themselves. You have to decide that. But the important thing is massive action. Okay, thank you for watching this presentation. This was a short kind of overview of Traffic Underdog, and I guess I talk to you soon.